All right, so this yeast I believe is dead. I just went ahead and tried to make some pizza dough, and after several hours it never risen. I tried it again and same results. Now you should proof this before you use it in any recipe, to be honest, and I did not do that. So we're going to try, this is some brand new yeast and this is the old, and we're going to see if we can determine this one to be dead and this one to be alive. This water I have here at the same amount in each one is showing to be about, let's see here, 96, 90. It's cooled off a little bit. Probably could be a little warmer, but I think we're good at around 96 degrees. We're going to throw a tablespoon of the old in this one and a tablespoon of the new in that one over there for a quick test. So that's the old one. And this is the new one. We're going to see if we can determine, based on the results we get here after stirring it up a little bit, that the old one is not any good. So first, let's go ahead and stir in the old yeast. And just for testing purposes, a clean spoon for the newer side. And hopefully in a few minutes, 5 minutes or less, we'll start to see bubbles out of one of these, or something to determine that this one isn't alive. All right, we'll let it set and wait and see if we have different results for this one and this one. After just a minute or so, you can see this one has a little bit of foam, and this one has none really. It's just kind of flat. You can see some bubbles starting to form there. Flat. Give it another minute and see if it changes at all. You may not be able to see it, but also you can see from time to time I'm watching some bubbles actually pop in here. Absolutely zero action on this side. And they're actually making some pizza over here with some store-bought pizza dough now, since ours failed. But that's how you can test, and you probably should proofread or proof test your yeast just a few minutes before putting it in your recipe with some lukewarm water. Make sure you get some bubbles, because if you get this, it's not going to rise and you're going to end up with that. I'm going to probably still use this. We'll turn this into some flatbread. It'll be good for that, but didn't want to use it for dough as it didn't do its job and rise. So dead, alive.